Good morning, student. In this video, you will learn about Microsoft Excel. You have already learned about the Microsoft Word. So, next part of the Microsoft Office, which is MS Excel. So, in this video, you will learn about these topic that what is a spreadsheet and its advantages. That you will know about the advantages of spreadsheet, which is we are using in that MS Excel. Then you will know that how you can start Excel and creating a blank workbook in MS Excel. Now we will see that how we can work with Excel sheet. So now let's begin with this video. So before going to learn about the Microsoft Excel, we just have to remember something that you have seen use of table in MS Word in the last class. The table were used to display the information in the row and column. Information you store in the Word table does not change its own. Okay, so you don't you can't change the information with the that particular table, and you also cannot perform the any type of calculation in that table which you use in the MS Word. But if you want to perform some calculation on your table, so you have to use that some spreadsheet software. Okay, so this is the type of a software which is known as a spreadsheet software, which give us a representation of the information in the tabular format, and we can perform a different type of calculation on it. So according our requirement, we can perform any type of calculation on it, and we can change the information in the table. So now let's have a scene that what is the spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet is an interactive computer application software for organizing, analysis, and storage of data relevant to your work in tabular form. So I just told you that you can store your information in the tabular form in the spreadsheet software. And the data is represented in a cell organized in a row or column. It is easy to perform complex mathematical calculation in the spreadsheet. So MS Excel is the one of the most popular spreadsheet software. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculation with the help of its inbuilt tools such as a formula, functions, and data analysis. So we will use that MS Excel software, which is known as a spreadsheet software, for storing our data in a tabular format and to perform any type of mathematical calculation on it. So there are the many other software also present, so like OpenOffice Calc, which work in a similar manner like a MS Excel. So we will know now that how we can start MS Excel. Okay, so to start MS Excel, you have to go on that star button. You just need to click on the start button and just scroll down, and you just need to find the MS Office. So here you can see the MS Office. So I'm using the MS Office 2007, and you can use anyone like 2010 or 13. Okay. So here you just need to find the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So you just need to click on that particular list item, and you will get this software here. So these are the window. This is the window of the Microsoft Excel, and these are the all functions available here. So you can see this working. This is known as a workbook. Okay, this is a sheet. In this, we can store our data in a tabular format. Okay, so one box is known as a cell. Okay, so what is the mean of cell? So here the intersection of row. Okay, so this is the row, and this is known as a column. Okay, so intersection of these row and column is known as a cell. Okay, so here you can see the E column and the fifth row. Okay, so just take a look of introduction file of or introduction window about the MS Excel. So before going to get know about the introduction about some MS Excel, we just need to get to some advantages using of Excel. So it help to organize huge amount of data, and it help to perform calculation easily and quickly. The built-in function can help in complex calculation. You can filter or sort the data according to your need. It has tool to prepare illustrative graph easily, and it will help you to import the data from and export the data to other software. So these are the some advantages. So that's why we are using MS Excel over other software. So now this is the introduction window, and you can see here also. Okay, so this is the introduction window you can see, and these are the some name of that particular things. Okay, so we will know about one by one these functions. Okay, so first of all we will know about the file tab. So here you can see this is the file tab, and these all are the other tabs. The name here is known as a tabs. So first of all we will know about the file tab. And what is the file tab? That you can click on the file tab to check the backstage view, to open and save or create a new sheet and print the sheet and do other file related operations. Okay, so whenever you click on that file tab, so here this is the file tab options you can see. And if you just click on that, so you will get these options. Okay, so if you want to start a new workbook, so you can click on this. And if you want to open new already saved sheet, so you can click on this and you can use all these functions here. Okay, so now ribbon, so this is called as a ribbon. Okay, so these all are the functions is known as a ribbon. You can see here this one is ribbon, and if you click on the insert button, so the insert ribbon will be here. Okay, so ये जो आपका पोर्शन कहलाता है ये आपका रिबन कहलाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका नेम बॉक्स. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज द नेम बॉक्स. ओके, सो दिस पोर्शन इज अ नेम बॉक्स. ये क्या बताता है आपको? ये बताता है आपको पर्टिकुलर सेल का नेम. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी द ए कॉलम एंड वन रो है. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट रो है, तो इसका सेल का नेम क्या हो गया आपका? A1. ओके, सो ये हमेशा आपको बताता है जो भी आपकी एक्टिव सेल होती है. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट B3. ओके, सो ये सेल का नेम हो गया आपका B3. तो नेम बॉक्स आपको क्या बताएगा? जो भी आपकी एक्टिव सेल है, वो एक्टिव सेल होती कौन सी है? So here you can see the many cells, and whenever we click on a particular cell, it will be highlighted with the dark border. Okay, so this is known as a active cell. और हम जब भी कुछ भी enter करेंगे data, then we have to click on that particular cell and make it as active. जैसे हम लोग इसको एक्टिव बनाया, एक्टिव बनाने के बाद में हम लोग इसको इसके अंदर कुछ भी एंटर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो जस्ट लाइक इट. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेटस बार. So this is known as a status bar. You can see that the number of sheets and so by clicking on this, you can insert the number of other sheets. Okay. So by default आपको यहाँ पर 3 sheets मिलेगी. Okay, एक वर्कबुक में. बट अगर आपको और sheets चाहिए तो आप you can click here and just can add the new sheets. Okay. नेक्स्ट है आपका status bar के बाद में workbook. Okay, so this is the worksheet area. Okay, so here you can see the this is the work area, and we can also known as a workbook, which is a collection of that particular sheet. Okay, so जैसे ही अलग अलग पेजेस को आप लोग कलेक्ट करके कोई फाइल बनाते हो, ठीक है, या फिर हमारी जो बुक होती है जैसे आपके अलग अलग पेजेस को कलेक्ट करके वो जो बुक बनती है, ठीक है, सेम ऐसे ही ये आपका वर्कबुक कहलाता है पूरा, जिसमें बाय डिफॉल्ट 3 शीट्स अवेलेबल होती है. बट आप वन बाय वन करके इसके अंदर शीट्स को इंसर्ट कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर रिक्वायरमेंट और नीड. ओके, सो ये होती है आपकी वर्कबुक. उसके बाद में अपन बात करते हैं, जैसे एक्टिव सेल बता दिया, सेल पॉइंटर. ओके, सो दिस इज द नोन एज अ सेल पॉइंटर. ओके, which is highlighted by the dark border line. And these all the column letter which is known as a column heading also. Okay, so जैसे जैसे आप लोग आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे column heading आपको यहाँ से ऐसा ये पता चलती जाएगी, ठीक है, ये चीज. And these known represent as a number of rows. Okay, so first second third fourth and ये आपकी rows ऐसा जैसे जैसे आप लोग डाउन में जाते जाएंगे ये नंबर ऑफ रोज इंक्रीज होती जाएंगी. Okay, so this section will known as a row number and this will known as a column letter. Now these all are section known as a cell and this one. Okay, so here you can see this is white blank space, so this will known as a formula bar. Okay, so ये क्या बताता है आपको, ये किसी भी अगर आपने कोई भी अगर आइटम यहाँ पे लिखा है, ठीक है, किसी भी सेल में, तो जैसे ही वो हाईलाइटेड होगा वैसे ही आपका फॉर्मूला बार उस पर्टिकुलर सेल की इंफॉर्मेशन को आपको यहाँ पे शो करता है. और इसके अलावा ये शो करेगा आपके पर्टिकुलर किसी भी सेल में आपने अगर फॉर्मूला लगा रखा है, ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन के लिए, तो वो फॉर्मूलाज आपको यहाँ पे ये शो करने वाला है. ओके, सो दिस विल नोन एज अ फॉर्मूला बार. Next, this one is a title bar which will show you as a title of that workbook. Okay, जो भी आपने सेव किया है उस हिसाब से ये आपको टाइटल शो करेगा. Okay, and this section will known as a view button, and by this section you can see the different type of views. Okay, of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so ये आपको बता रहा है अलग अलग पेजेस में. तो देखिए ये लाइन हाईलाइटेड हो गई है यहाँ पे. So by this you can see that it will print in a one single page and this part of this sheet will print in next page. ओके, ये आपको A4 साइज पेपर के हिसाब से आपको आपका पोर्शन बता रहा है कि ये पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन जो है वो आपका फर्स्ट पेज पे प्रिंट होगा और ये वाला सेकंड पेज पे. ओके, सो इट विल हेल्प यू that how it will print and get you a view of the print. Now next is zoom option. So here you can see the zoom option. So by clicking on the minus button, you can zoom in, and so by clicking on the button, you can zoom in प्लस बटन, और जूम आउट जैसे ही आप लोग करेंगे आपको माइनस पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर विंडो. अब इसके अंदर आपको डेटा एंटर कैसे करना है, तो जस्ट you just need to click on that any type of cell. Okay, so here जिसमें भी आपको डेटा एंटर करना हो आपको जस्ट क्लिक करना है. जैसे सपोज करो मुझे एक लिस्ट बनानी है नेम, ओके, विद द मोबाइल नंबर, एंड तो आई जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेल और मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया और यहाँ पे ये लगा दी. ठीक है, नाउ वी कैन जस्ट ऐड द name and insert the mobile number. Okay, and by this, okay, by clicking on this we can change the width of that particular column. Okay, so this is how you can insert the data and in the Excel sheet. So now I think it's enough for now in this video, and in next video we will learn about some formulas, that how we can apply the formula in the MS Excel sheet, then how we can perform the mathematical calculation with the Excel sheet. So keep watching this series of MS Excel. It will help you to get how you can work with the MS Excel. Okay, thank you.